Welcome to Cooking with Dragons. My name is Rourke. This is a late night episode. Today, I'm going to be making the Whopper. Seeing as how I made the Big Mac, you may as well give the Whopper a shot. How am I going to do this without a broiler, you might ask? Well, I have this cast iron skillet, or this cast iron griddle. It has that side and it has a flat top. But it probably wouldn't be too wise to just put it over an open flame, but you know, at least not on a grill. But yeah, I've worked at Burger King for a while. I have about 10 years worth of experience at Burger King, so. So the broiler basically uses gas, and yeah, and then you could probably use a grill if you wanted to for this. It'd probably be a lot easier. But then you'd probably be using propane and propane accessories. But yeah. And so a lot of the ingredients that they make is actually fresh and it's actually cut on site. So they cut the tomatoes fresh, they cut the lettuce fresh. Well, I don't think they do lettuce fresh anymore. Not everywhere, but some places they might. But some places might just have bag lettuce. But when I worked there, they all the vegetables were fresh at least, except for the pickles. Those came in a big bucket. In order to get the correct size, this bowl should be big enough. I'm just going to smash it until it's the right size. And then I'm going to throw it onto this skillet. And then I'm going to throw it onto this stove, this griddle top. And those lines should give it the same lines that we get on the Whopper itself. And then I'm going to cover the top of it with this, since I'm not flipping it at all. So it's just going to go right over top of that stove. And then it should just steam. Yeah. So it will probably cook relatively quick as well. So yeah. It would be a good idea to get the buns started first. I can't quite find something that's the exact size of a Whopper bun, so I'm going with these Kaiser rolls, and then I'm going to stick some sesame seeds over top of it. And that should be good enough. That should work. Use this for another time. Alright, so we'll cut open the roll. There we go. There we go, nicely toasted. No oil or butter or anything for the buns. That's nothing fancy. Okay. Got it nice and toasted now. Just set that aside. Next, get the prep ready. Got me a tomato. Nature Fresh Farms. Their tomatoes, I believe, are from California. Alright. And then next, this is not something they do, but they should. I'm just going to season the tomatoes a little bit, just some salt. More with 3 tomato slices. Set them aside till I need them. The tomatoes and lettuce are already ready, so yeah, we'll pull those out of the fridge last. So now, get that going, and get this going, turning it upside down. That way no heat is lost. Okay. And get this smashing. Now their patties are usually frozen, so this part is usually not needed if you have a frozen patty. So yeah. Here, just smash it out. That should be plenty thick enough. You want to make sure it's at least good, at least the same size all the way around if you can get it. Yeah, it's a 1/4 pound of beef, but it's stretched out a different way. So, yeah. Alright. The idea is to kind of match the temperature. I'm going to be pretty much using that to kind of cook, like, because the broiler uses kind of like a brick oven type thing, but it's like while it's boiling in there, the top side is heated too, sort of from the heat. So that's the idea here. Okay. And then this griddle top should give it the nice lines that it usually has. So yeah. Now I'm just going to season the top of it. There we go. Give it about 3 minutes. Assemble the patties and just spread the mayo. Why am I using a fork to spread the mayo? Because a friend told me that using a fork is actually better than using a spoon. So I'm not going to guess the wisdom of a friend. Lettuce. look at it. Check that out. Got some nice grill marks on it, just like the real thing. Put your cheese on it. 2 slices. Add your pickles. 4 slices of pickles. Add your ketchup in a nice ring. At least 3 rings, that's what you want. And some onions. Want at least 3 rings. Alright. I'm going to get a close-up on it. And here we have the Whopper. Beautifully cooked. Alright, I'm going to go to the table and also take a picture of this real quick. I'll be right back. And we're back. So as you can see, I haven't topped it yet. That's because I forgot something. I forgot the sesame seeds for the bun. But we'll figure it out. Alright, and I can also show you how to top it. So, you grab the tomatoes to keep the lettuce from falling off. And you crown your Whopper. Yeah. And I'm just going to take this here paper towel. Dip it in some vegetable oil. That should hopefully help the sesame seeds stick. What's the Whopper without, what's the bun without the, what's a Whopper without sesame seeds? That's a low carb burger or something. I don't know. All right. All right. I think that worked out pretty well though. So now let's try to pick this thing up. Definitely a heavy Whopper, that's for sure. All right. Oh yeah, we got it. Nailed it. Tomatoes being seasoned help really nicely. And yeah, you don't need to melt the cheese for this one if you don't want to. But if you want to, you can just pop it in the microwave for a couple seconds. It'll be good enough. But yeah. All right. The Whopper. Check it out. Make it at home. Thank you for watching. My name is Work for Cooking with Dragons. We are exploring the world of food. See you next time and keep on feeding the fire.